Bed bugs are a common household pest. They can be challenging to get rid. Watch the video to learn about the best home remedies for getting rid of bed bugs and how to use them effectively. So what are bed bugs? Bed bugs are small insects that feed on the blood of humans and other warm-blooded animals. They can be found anywhere there is a human population, but they are most common in places like hotels, apartments, and hostels. The bugs are about the size of an apple seed and can be found in different colors. They feed on humans at night and tend to hide during the day. Bed bug bites can be very painful. They can cause a rash, swelling, and itchy red bumps. Many people think they will only get a small red spot or itchy skin mark when bitten by bed bugs, which is rarely the case. Bed bugs have been known to crawl up the skin of the legs and arms and bite you at night. The good news is that bed bug bites do not spread diseases or infections like some other insects do. There are a variety of home remedies for getting rid of bed bugs. The most common bed bug killers are pesticides, insecticides, and dust that kill bed bugs upon contact. These products tend to be less effective if they are not used correctly and can even be hazardous to human health. There are various home remedies for bed bugs that are safe, effective, and inexpensive. 1. Diatomaceous earth. Diatomaceous earth is a natural sedimentary rock made of the remains of tiny animals called diatoms. The diatoms are hardened into a powder and can be used to kill bed bugs, fleas, roaches, termites, and other pests. This powder is so fine that the bed bugs cannot burrow through it. Therefore, it will be difficult for them to survive. The diatomaceous earth is harmless if not misused. It can be hazardous if it contacts your skin or comes in contact with eyes, mouth, or wounds. So, ensure you keep it out of children's reach. Diatomaceous earth can be rubbed into carpets and mattresses to kill bed bugs that might be living in these places. If you use it in places that experience significant foot traffic, vacuum it up afterward to avoid it being blown or moved around too much. 2. Ammonia. Ammonia is a common household chemical that can be used to disinfect and kill bed bugs. You can use ammonia in your treatment or as a preventive measure. Ammonia is typically sold by gallon, so you need about 2 gallons for this treatment. If the bug infestation is severe, you may need more. Mix the ammonia in hot water. Hot water will make it easier for the bug to drown and kill. Add about a half cup of ammonia to every gallon of water in your spray bottle. The mixture should be hot enough to make the water steam. When you're done, wash your hands thoroughly. Ensure that all bug remnants are removed from your home or hotel room. 3. Hot water wash. To kill bed bugs, you can use hot water. Soak your bedding in hot water for several hours. Not only will this help to kill the bed bugs, but it will also make them easier to see and remove. It will ensure a clean environment for your guests to sleep in. You will need to wash your bedding, including sheets, blankets, comforters, and pillows. 4. Vacuum cleaner. Cleaners are supposed to be the most effective bed bug killer. There is no need to spray them with chemicals or try other methods when you can use a vacuum cleaner. You can use a regular vacuum cleaner or invest in a more expensive one to do the job better. When you clean your mattress and bed, don't forget about the other accessories and furniture used for sleeping. Vacuum every inch of your floors, baseboards, frames, and curtains to eliminate possible hiding spots. You can use your vacuum cleaner's nozzle to suck up all the dust and debris on your mattress. It will catch any bed bugs and other insects and pests such as roaches, ants, bees, and mites hiding in your mattress. Vacuum your mattress thoroughly. It would be best to vacuum the mattress from top to bottom and from side to side. Vacuum up any crumbs or other food particles that may have fallen on your mattress surface during the day. Vacuum your mattress upholstery. If you are suffering from an infestation, it is crucial to vacuum the surface of your mattress and all the crevices that may be hiding pests. Vacuum your floor and any furniture in your room. 5. Remove all clothing and wash everything that has come into contact with the bed. Wash and clean your entire bedroom thoroughly. Make sure that everything is dry before you sleep in it again. Wash your sheets, mattress cover, and pillowcases. If your bed has a fitted sheet, remove it from the bed and wash it separately. Wash each pillowcase separately as well. Use mite and dust mite-resistant sheets that are not treated with pesticides. 6. Vinegar and baking soda. Vinegar is a great natural product that can kill bed bugs. It has many uses in the kitchen, but it is also effective when getting rid of bed bugs. It would help if you mixed some vinegar with your regular dishwashing liquid. You will then apply this mixture to where you see bed bugs. It is crucial that you do it every night and leave it overnight. The next day, you should wash the whole area with soapy water. You can mix some baking soda in vinegar to make it more effective. Use a spray for best results. 7. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is another natural product that can kill bed bugs effectively. It can also help you eliminate other bugs that may be present. It would be best if you used a tea tree oil spray. You should mix it with water and apply this mixture to your bed. Use the mixture every night until you see the bed bugs die. 8. Clove oil. Clove oil is another effective solution to kill bed bugs. You should use clove oil in a spray bottle and mix it with water. You can also add a few drops of tea tree oil or lavender essential oil to the mixture. These solutions can also help you eliminate other bugs present in your bed. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 7 effective home remedies for bed bugs. Thanks for watching and bye for now.